Climate change is the long-term shift in average weather patterns across the world. Since the mid-1800s, humans have contributed to the release of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This causes global temperatures to rise, resulting in long-term changes to the climate. Once in the atmosphere, greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, form a blanket around the planet. This blanket traps the heat from the sun and causes the Earth to heat up. The level of gases are rising, and it's affecting our weather, leading to devastating consequences. If we want to avoid significant increases in average surface temperature, we must cut greenhouse gas emissions and switch to renewable energy sources. South Tyneside is invested in a range of renewable energy projects. As well as renewable energy, we are working on a range of initiatives, including the creation of our school toolkit. This was produced earlier in the year with great success. Many residents aren't aware of how climate change will affect South Tyneside. So what will happen? The local weather will keep changing, meaning the borough will likely see more severe and frequent flooding, summer droughts and heat waves, more intense and frequent storms, especially in the winter. This will affect our transport with increased road and rail disruptions. Buildings including schools, hospitals and businesses, health and well-being, animals and plants, food quality and availability. Global changes will also have a local impact. It is likely that South Tyneside will be affected by food shortages, mass immigration, further pandemics, financial problems and unemployment, loss of land to sea level rises. The impact on South Tyneside will depend on how quickly and effectively we act. Let's make a difference and see change together.
The team at South Tyneside Council are committed to changing our environment for our future. The team are looking at new ways we can link into renewable energy sources such as wind, solar and geothermal. South Tyneside is placed in a very good location with the sea, rivers, coastal wind and a number of disused mines from the history of coal mining. This provides an opportunity to make a difference using new technological advancements. Wind has the highest potential in the UK and the Council is looking to invest in several new wind turbines in the borough. And we will look at new opportunities to help our communities. We are aware that wind does not blow all of the time, which is why we are investing in our backup power opportunities at our Viking Energy Network, Holborn Mine Water Network and the Holborn site. The potential for technology to help us fight climate change and reduce emissions and change the way we live is promising. The team here at South Tyneside Council are constantly looking to identify further opportunities to build on the work already carried out in using the latest and most innovative renewable technologies to replace the use of fossil fuels by the Council. We are working closely with experts from local universities, including Durham University and Northumbria University, to work out ways to incorporate their latest ideas and research projects into our real-life schemes. These include the possibility of using disused mine water as earth batteries to store energy, and the gravity generation of electricity using the water we will return to the mine workings in our mine water energy schemes. The team also works closely with a number of experts, interested bodies and forums including NELAP, BEIS Heat Network Decarbonisation Team, the Local Authority Forum for Heat Network and a number of other local authorities around the country to share and exchange ideas and experiences.
The Holborn Renewable Energy Network project is the Council's most ambitious energy scheme to date. As you can see, there is a lot of progress being made on site. We are currently in the first phase of this project. The scheme aims to generate renewable energy by using heat from abandoned flooded mines and the River Tyne. The network could provide renewable energy to council-owned and other public sector buildings in South Shields. It has the potential to save 2,436 tonnes of carbon a year, cut annual carbon emissions by 22%, save more than £800,000 per year. People ask, how can water and flooded mines generate renewable energy? The scheme would use a combination of technologies. Solar panels, both floating and mounted on an energy centre, would provide much of the electricity to power water-sourced heat pumps. Heat pumps would extract heat from water taken from abandoned flooded mines and the River Tyne, converting it into energy in the form of hot water. This hot water would be used to heat buildings in a network of insulated pipes. Gas produced from wood and green waste would also be converted into 100% renewable fuel for the energy centre. Planning permission has been given for the first phase of the project, which is now underway. From July 2021 to spring 2022. Drilling started in July 2021. Two 750mm diameter boreholes are currently being drilled into the ground to a depth of over 280 metres. Pumps will be installed underground to extract water from the abandoned flooded mines. Wells will be constructed and the mine water will be tested. It is expected that the overall project will be completed in 2024 to 2025. So what's next? Following the drilling works and subject to funding and planning permission, Phase 2 will see the development of an energy centre and pipe distribution network. Overall, the scheme is likely to combine a river source heat pump, a mine water heat pump, a combined heat and power CHP backup system, solar panels, a private wire electrical network with storage battery, and a wood gasification plant. It's a very exciting scheme and one that we look forward to completing.